Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have to quickly put this part of the video in because some other footage was lost, but this video is about what I eat in a day. So, also, I'm losing my voice. So I'm going to just intro this video and then get into what I eat in a day with you guys. Hope you enjoy. Okay, bye. So as you can see here, I have a 1,500 to 1,799 calorie, and I use a container system. That's what those numbers and colors are about. And then I have a mock-up menu that I can follow if I'd like, but I have guidelines here. Here's another view just to help me with my meals for the day. And as you get used to it, you can improvise. So let's get into what I eat. After my workout, I will definitely have a cup of coffee. This is how I do like to break my fast. I enjoy it, and who doesn't like coffee? One of the other things that I really enjoy having is overnight oats. So this is actually me preparing the overnight oats before, the day before, obviously. So I'm doing two different kinds. This one is going to be a matcha overnight oats, and then the other one I'm going to be doing peanut butter. So this is just my process. Right now I'm melting the matcha and a little bit of honey to sweeten the matcha, because matcha can be very bitter. And then I'll go ahead and start adding in the other ingredients to the other one. So the other overnight oats I'm choosing to do is a peanut butter, because who doesn't like peanut butter? I mean, come on. So I will measure out my peanut butter. Again, I'm using the container system, so that is that container represents how much you can have of nut butters. So I'm using that and then transferring it over to the jar. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the oats in. So my yellow container represents how much of the oats I can have. It is a carb container. So I'll go ahead and add that in there. Try not to spill it all. Now it's time to add in the almond milk that I'll be using for my overnight oats. Again, I use a measurement system for this, and what I will be doing is to measure the amount of almond milk needed. So that is a carb container. Almond milk is considered a carb, so that's what I'll be using to ensure that I'm getting enough and not going over with my almond milk. So I also forgot to add that I do put chia seeds in my overnight oats. So I put a tablespoon of chia seeds. As you can see, the little black seeds in there. I forgot to show you that step, but chia seeds is also something that I do put into my overnight oats. Overnight oats is very easy to do as long as you're organized and you have all your ingredients. It's pretty quick and easy, and I just absolutely enjoy taking one of these out in the morning. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, it's nutritious, enjoyable. So all the elements that I believe go into a meal. So here I'm doing my protein preparation, just washing my chicken breast. I'm doing chicken breast and salmon. And, you know, the important part of cleaning up your area after dealing with chicken and different type of meat. So I'm just doing that now.